Hey, it's Adam Della here with Truphae again. I'm happy to say that I'm going to be looking at another kind of pen. Today I'm going to be looking at vacuum filling fountain pens. So you may have heard of the VAC. The VAC is pretty popular because pens like the Homo sapien. So today I'm going to show you how to fill up a vacuum filling fountain pen. What I have here is the TWSBI VAC Mini. And I just cleaned it out, so as you can see, it's got some water in there, which is totally fine. You know, not a crazy amount of water or anything like that. I got a rag ready, and I got my ink that I want to put in it. It's the lavender color from the Magno series. I really like this ink. So I'm going to remove the cap from the TWSBI. I'm going to put the cap aside, and then we're going to get our ink ready. Get ready to start the uncapped timer, because we're about to uncap this son of a gun. Really the son of a sailor. Uncapped timer, begin. All right, I'm gonna dip it. I like to dip just above the nib. Boom. It's pretty normal to not get like the most full fill. We got a pretty nice fill there. Stop the uncap timer, and I'm going to wipe my nib. Microfiber as to not get cotton in the nib. We made a little bit of a spillage here. Little spillage right here, huh? How about that? That's why we got the rag on hand, you know? I hope that's useful for you. That was just how to fill a vacuum fill fountain pen. So next time somebody says, hey, you know how to fill a vacuum filling fountain pen? You can say yes. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more fountain pen tidbits. That's right. We're going to be doing tidbits. Don't forget to smash that like button. And also, if you want to leave a comment below, let me know what you want to see me make a video on. Until next time, a penman salute to you.